You'll see her clearly. There she is. Avro Vulcan XH 658. 558.
Sit still. Oh, wicked. Look at my arms.
Fucking picture again.
Mum. Goosebumps.
So, how did it
They've
come
got
to be
goosebumps.
that an aircraft that had carried Britain's nuclear deterrent
up on end.
found itself doing something so totally different as dropping conventional bombs
My God.
on an airfield in the South Atlantic? Well, they'd handed the nuclear deterrent over to the Royal Navy. And in fact,
Can you see it, Matthew?
almost at the end of Vulcan's operational career in 1982 came the Falkland Islands War. And it was suddenly decided that
Just sit still.
a Vulcan could actually get there and back from Ascension Island. Now this was to be the longest bombing raid in history. It's as far as from here to Bali non-stop.
they fly them.
And in order to do it, the Vulcan had to do 18 air-to-air refuels. And the aircraft that did that was the Vulcan XM607, which is now at RAF Waddington as a standing display. Here she comes from straight in front of us.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at her.
That's a seagull. We're following the wrong thing.
Oh, my God. That's a plane.
Famous Vulcan.
Oh my God!
Caused by
Look at my arm.
the air in the intakes, particular shape of the intakes, and it only occurs at certain power settings. Actually, she wasn't on full power there. She flew the Vulcan all the way down to the Falkland Islands, and he got a distinguished flying cross for that. So here she is with wheels down. As I said, they don't have the managers those, and that's Phil Davis. He's the guy who's been texting me and telling me what's going on with the aircraft all day. We have had one or two texts between us, I have to say, and between us and one or two other things. Now, next time she comes around, I'm looking to see if she's got her bomb doors open. This is only the second time I've seen her this year.
Listen to that.
Yes, the bomb doors are open. And that's the size of the bomb bay that took those 21,000 pounds of bombs. She'll fly around in a circle, and as she comes back in front of us, you'll see the bomb bay. Unfortunately, you can't apply to do that anymore because the bomb bay is full. So this is an aeroplane then that's really held in trust for the nation. And it reached at the end of next year. I'll tell you more about that in a moment. She comes back in front of us, Phil Davis, the radio,